It might have started off as a bit of a joke, but now it's family tradition. Maybe you can relate. Maybe you also tend to order too much food for dinner, and who doesn't in American restaurants, or tend to cook too much food for family dinner. And now, what do you do with all the extra food? How do you manage the leftovers? Well, for us, it has become two traditions. The first tradition is for the husband, that's me, to take some of the leftovers for lunch the next day. That's actually one of the best things about cooking too much for dinner. It saves prep time for the next day's lunch, and since I like dinner the night before, I still like the dinner served as lunch the next day. So after I've taken my cut for the next day's lunch, sometimes what remains is just not quite enough for breakfast for the family, and I'm not one who wants to eat the same meal 3 times in a row, which means something needs to be done. The solution a happy healthy wife came up with? Put an egg on it. Leftover jambalaya? Put an egg on it. Leftover chow fun? Put an egg on it. Leftover salsa? Put an egg on it. And some more salsa on top. Leftover baked ziti? Put an egg on it. Leftover mushroom pizza? Yeah, put an egg on it. Overnight muesli? Why not? Put an egg on it. Leftover teriyaki chicken? Put an egg on it. And have a mother and daughter reunion. Leftover steak? Put an egg on it. Oh, that's just steak and eggs. Leftover fajitas? Put an egg on it. Wait, isn't it just huevos rancheros? Now the put an egg on it meme has become a tasty addition to our morning breakfast routine.